In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Google Maps. If you get this error, first thing you're told, check your internet connection and try again. However, if you are unable still to access or use Google Maps, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to troubleshoot your Google Maps app by going to settings on your phone. So I'll go to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps option. Now this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for maps. Now if I tap on this, you can see our maps is here. Go to force stop app and OK, and then go to clear data and clear cache and final OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you open your app, everything should be up and running. However, even after doing this, if you still have a challenge accessing or using maps, check, and if you are using any VPN app or any recently installed security app, turn it off or uninstall it to fix this problem. In most cases, this should work. However, if you still find a challenge, then at this point, then check and then see if we have any update for Google Maps. For this, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your maps, that is Google Maps app, and update it to the latest version. In most cases, after updating your Google Maps, now everything should be up and running without any issue. But at this point, should you still find a challenge using this app, then most likely the problem is with Google Maps internal servers. For that, wait until Google Maps fixes internal server error and try after some few minutes, and this should have fixed your issue. So let me know which of this was able to solve your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.